In a grocery store, it is very important that floors are kept clean, dry, and free of clutter. This helps prevent slips, trips, and falls. Since no one person can be everywhere at all times, it is every employee's responsibility to keep an eye out for slip and trip hazards throughout the store. Let's discuss some of the steps that can be taken to prevent slips, trips, and falls. One of the easiest ways to help prevent slips, trips, and falls is to make sure all floors remain clean, dry, and free of clutter. Any employee that sees anything on the floor that does not belong should immediately clean it up. This includes trash, produce, water, food, or anything else that could cause an employee or customer to slip or trip. It is never okay to leave a foreign object on the floor for any length of time. This includes the sales floor, food prep areas, and the break room. Never leave empty pallets, standing or lying flat, on the sales floor or sidewalks. Product displays and shelves should be stocked in a manner where products cannot easily fall or cause customers or employees to trip. For example, when a product display is sold down and the pallet corners are exposed, the pallet needs to be removed from the sales floor or the product needs to be restocked. Always use wet floor cones when the floor gets wet for any reason. Wet floor cones should also be visible at the store entrance when it is raining or snowing. Liquids on the floor should be immediately cleaned up, even if there are only a few drops. Employees should immediately report any leaky equipment or refrigeration. Leaks should be cleaned up as soon as possible. Absorbent socks or paper towel rolls can be used to soak up the liquids until repairs can be made. Anytime an employee sees a spill or leak, or if a spill or leak is reported, the employee should immediately go to the spill and guard it to prevent customers or other employees from walking through the spilled substance. Try to get another employee's attention to assist with the spill. One employee should guard the spill while the other employee retrieves proper cleaning supplies. If another employee is not available, place a wet floor cone directly next to the spill and then proceed to retrieve cleaning supplies. Most liquid spills should be cleaned with a product called Spill Magic. Spill Magic is an absorbent powder that is kept in spill response stations conveniently located around the store. If towels or a mop must be used to clean a spill, be sure to place wet floor cones around the perimeter of any damp or wet area to warn others. Individuals are more likely to avoid a wet area or walk carefully if they know the floor is wet. All employees should know the location of spill response stations and know how to use them. The station should be kept fully stocked with all required components. This includes Spill Magic powder, a broom head with a handle, a dustpan, trash bags, and pop-up floor cones. Floor mats should remain in their designated locations throughout the day and should be kept in good repair. They should remain in the following locations when a store is open for business. In front of the indoor ice merchandiser, where floor mats can help catch any ice that might fall onto the floor when bags of ice are taken from the merchandiser or while it is being stocked. In front of the chicken counter, where they help catch any liquid that might leak from packages of chicken when removed from the case. In front of the watered produce area, to help catch any overspray when produce is watered. Also, floor mats are used to catch pieces of produce that shoppers may drop on the floor. In the area where grapes are sold, they help catch loose grapes that shoppers may drop. Remember, bags of grapes should be sealed when stocked and monitored throughout the day. They are also used in front of your egg merchandiser to catch dropped eggs. In front of the deli fountain drink machine and beverage stations, floor mats are used to catch any ice or liquids that shoppers may drop or spill on the floor. When placed at all department entrances, they help keep employees from tracking water, grease, blood, or other slippery substances from prep areas onto the sales floor. Floor mats should be placed in the front entrance. When raining or snowing outside, they will help prevent customers and employees from tracking water and moisture onto the floor. They can also be placed with other special displays as needed. Anytime a display is constructed that has the potential for shoppers to drop ice or other slippery substances onto the sales floor, a floor mat should be used. As mentioned previously, it is every employee's responsibility to continually be on the lookout for slip and trip hazards, including spills and liquids on the sales floor, and to take immediate action if there are any observed or reported. It takes the entire team working together to provide a safe environment for our customers to shop and our employees to work.